Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel LinkedIn Premium subscription. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the App Store. Of course, I'm showing you how to cancel if you subscribed with your iPhone. But if you subscribed with LinkedIn directly, you should go to the website. But if you subscribed with your iPhone directly, you have just to go and open the App Store. After that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to subscriptions. And as you can see, I will find all my subscriptions here. I will go directly to LinkedIn. And here, click on cancel free trial. And after that, click on cancel subscription. And as you can see, the subscription is already canceled. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.